Hey, what's up guys, Winston here, and today we'll be taking a quick look at the ASRock B650 Steel Legend Wi-Fi motherboard. The ASRock B650 Steel Legend Wi-Fi is an affordable, feature-rich motherboard and comes in an all-white and silver design. It supports all of the latest AMD Ryzen 7000 and 8000 series of processors on the AM5 socket, and supports memory speeds of up to DDR5 7200 plus OC. It features a 14+2+1 power phase design, 80 amps Dr. MOS for V-Core, and 20K capacitors for superb power delivery. Expansion slots include one PCI 5x16 slot, one PCI 3x16 slot, and one PCI 4x1 slot. For storage, it comes with 4 SATA ports and one Blazing M.2 PCI Gen 5x4 and 2 Hyper M.2 PCI Gen 4x4. And for connectivity, it comes with a Dragon 2.5 gigabit LAN and supports Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth. It comes with a total of 19 USB ports, which is more than plenty for most users out there. And for graphics card output, you get the HDMI 2.1 and DisplayPort 1.4. And finally, you get all of ASRock's unique features, which includes the 7.1 HD dynamic audio, and of course, ASRock's polychrome sync for great lighting effects. We'll be testing this motherboard using AMD's Ryzen 7 7800X3D processor, along with 32GB of DDR5 72 RAM. And for graphics, we'll be using the Radeon RX 7900 XTX, see how it performs. So let's put this into our test rig, but before we do that, let's do a quick unboxing and we'll see you in a bit. Alright, let's do a quick unboxing of the ASRock B650 Steel Legend Wi-Fi motherboard. Let's take a look inside the box. Okay, here we have the motherboard. We'll take a look at that in a sec. Let's have a look at the accessories. Okay, we have 2 of the Wi-Fi antennas. It's the user manual, an AM5 CPU installation guide, a Steel Legend postcard. Okay, we have 1 M.2 screw mount and 3 M.2 screws for your SSDs, a pair of SATA cables, and a pair of Velcro straps for your cable management. All right. Alright, here we have the motherboard. It's the ASRock B650 Steel Legend Wi-Fi. Here's the AM5 socket, supporting all the latest Ryzen 7000 and 8000 series of processors. Let's take a look at the back of the board. We have a nice Steel Legend branding at the back. This motherboard comes in an all white and silver design, very nice. Some large heat sinks here for your VRM and MOSFETs, and on this side here as well, covering the I/O hood, with a very nice Steel Legend logo, and very nice. Okay, let's start off the top here. We have 2 of the 8-pin PCI power connectors for your motherboard, and top right here we have 2 headers for your fans and 2 more headers for your ARGB. And then on this side we have the ATX power connectors, 24-pin ATX power connectors, USB 3, USB Type E for your front USB 3.2 Gen 2x2, USB 3 port, another one, and 4 SATA ports for your SSDs. At the bottom right here we have pinouts for your on-off switches, speakers, and then we've got 2 headers for your USB 2s. There's a clear CMOS pinout and 3 headers for your fans. We've got 1 more ARGB 3-pin header here and a 4-pin ARGB. And there's your HD audio output right there. Okay, let's have a look at the expansion slots. We have 1 PCI 5x16 slot, 1 PCI 3x16 slot, and 1 PCI 4x1 slot. Underneath this heatsink, we have the blazing M.2 PCIe Gen 5x4 slot for your SSD. And under this long heatsink, we have two Hyper M.2 slots for your PCIe Gen 4 SSDs. All right. Here we have the DIMM slots, DDR5 DIMM slots supporting memory speeds of up to DDR5 7200 OC. And let's take a look at the I/O. We'll start off on this side. We have the DisplayPort 1.4, the HDMI 2.1. We have the connectors for your Wi-Fi 6E, the BIOS flashback button, and we have 4 USB 3.2. And then we've got 4 more USBs, and 2 of them are the USB 3.2 Gen 1 and also USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 with a USB-C connector there. Here's your 2.5 gigabit LAN, and we've got audio outputs there, including mic out, line in, and SPDIF. All right, we're going to be testing this motherboard using a Ryzen 7 7800X 3D processor, along with some nice DDR5 7200 RAM, and of course we'll use a Radeon RX 7900 XTX graphics card to see how this performs. Alright, so this was a quick unboxing of the ASRock B650 Steel Legend Wi-Fi motherboard. If you're one of those PC enthusiasts who own an all-glass panel chassis with a panoramic view and you love to show off your components, then having a motherboard with an all-white design will make your system pop. Producing a motherboard that offers good performance yet affordable is the key to success. So has ASRock done this with their B650 Steel Legend Wi-Fi? Well, I have to say yes. It supports all of the latest AMD Ryzen 7000 and 8000 series of processors and support memory speeds of up to DDR5 7200 plus OC. It comes packed with features including the support for PCIe 5 for both GPU and NVMe SSDs, plus it comes in an all-white silver design. During our tests, we used an AMD Ryzen 7 7800X3D processor and a Radeon RX 7900 XTX graphics card. We managed to get some really good scores in all of our benchmarks, including a Cinebench score of 17,295 multi-core and 1,668 single-core. For PC Mark 10, we got a score of 9,728 and a score of 9,628 for Pass Mark 10. For UL's Procyon photo editing benchmark, we got really good scores of 9,075 and 8,048 for the video editing suite. For 3D Mark Speedway and Port Royal, we got decent scores of 6,303 and 16,440 respectively. And finally, for TimeSpy and FirstStrike, we got a phenomenal score of 25,392 and 50,100 respectively. Not only does the ASRock B650 Steel Legend Wi-Fi look aesthetically gorgeous, but also offers decent performance and great features at a price that's attractively affordable. Put this motherboard into any all-glass panel chassis with a panoramic view and prepare to wow your friends. You can check out the full review on our website at funkykit.com. And there you have it. That was a quick unboxing of the ASRock B650 Steel Legend Wi-Fi motherboard. An affordable, feature-rich motherboard that offers decent performance and comes in an all-white silver design. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget you can actually buy this via the links in the description, and of course visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. Oh yeah, don't forget, hit the subscribe button for more. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.